Isigwamba a la prawns. Sanibonani, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss J. Today we're making Isigwamba. Isigwamba is so close to my heart. It's a dish that I grew up eating from my granny's house, Kwasanti. Shout out to Kwasanti. And yeah, it's uputu. Uputu is a traditional Zulu pap, for a lack of a better word. So it's uputu and imifino, spinach, whatever herbs that you actually grow naturally at home. So that's what I'm making. But today we're taking it a notch up. So we're gonna do this guamba that went to private school. Let's get cooking. So today, because I'm making my home meal, I don't have dress for the occasion. And the ingredients you need is spinach, maize meal, water, chicken stock, olive oil, onion, and garlic. Okay, pot is ready. My fan is on. Can put it down to medium. Get my oil, just about so. Isigwamba. The main ingredients of Isigwamba is imifino, which is but today we're using a spinach, so that's what we're using. But before we get to that, we start by sauteing our onion. I love garlic, not traditionally part of it, but we're gonna put it in. We're making it Isigwamba from private school. Let's just put it on the side a bit because my heat was a little bit too hot. We try and we try and we try again. It's part of learning. So next time, please make sure that your heat is a bit low on the. It's more on the medium. Okay. And onion mustn't be bent. It must be nicely succulent and beautiful, like it is now. And then the next thing, when I have now, imifino. Bring it back to the heat. And imifino, they actually reduce as they cook. The more they get into heat, they reduce. So it's very important, depending on how many people you are making it for. For this one, it's for basically about 4 people. So this is enough for 4 people. Let's just cook it, let it cook nice and slow. But mustn't fully cook. Just cook. Just wanna bring in salt to saute it a bit so that by the time I put mielie, it's nice and just a little bit, not too much. A little bit. Stir again. Mustn't cook, it must just be half cooked because we're still gonna actually put mielie. Then I'm gonna bring in stock. I'm using chicken stock here, but can use vegetable stock. For vegetarians, you can just use vegetarian stock. But in this one, I'm just I like chicken stock. Chicken. I'll add a little bit later, and then water. The water is boiled. Okay. now and basically boiling. I need to boil it nicely before I add mielie and soup. In between, you can have a glass of wine whilst you're waiting for it to boil. See, it's boiling now. So now here's the trick. Now we're bringing in impupu, mielie. Just gonna stir it nicely, because remember this making uput not zip up. Making Isigwamba. Then we add more. Look at the color. Beautiful. It will catch on the bottom, and it's okay. That's what's supposed to happen. Interesting. I'm gonna use this because I don't have the right pin, so I'm gonna use this to actually continue and make uputulame right. And all of this is gonna be, give or take, 15 minutes. Get 15 to 20 minutes actually. Okay, so it's very important to continue stirring and okay, so we're gonna leave this for a few minutes whilst I'm just gonna keep on stirring it. I'm gonna move it to the back, put it on a very, very low heat so that it does not burn, but it actually still continue cooking nicely. I'm just gonna keep on stirring in between. For now, I'm gonna do prawns. Remember, this one is a private school Isigwamba, so it's actually gonna be served with prawns. Ingredients are butter, prawns, garlic, onion, red pepper, canned tomato or fresh tomato, chili, and hot sauce. But this one is quick. Okay, I'm just gonna do my onions, saute onions. Then garlic. Love garlic. I think I put everything that I cook is like gallons of garlic and mushrooms. But today I tried not to put any mushrooms because I'm like, oh my goodness, this is not gonna work. Mushrooms with prawns and this guava. Okay, no, anyway. Anywho. Then I don't wanna actually overdo it, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of white sauce, something, not just a little bit, because we don't wanna overpower it. The main ingredients here is then it's gonna be prawns. la la! It's coming out nicely. Let me quickly do the sauce. So, tomato. I like using canned tomato because of the nice consistency. Green pepper. And then chilies. I like chilies, so you can opt to do it or not to do it depending how you like your mixture. And then a little bit of smoked chili sauce, just a little bit. Then we're gonna blend all of this together, and then we're gonna throw it in. Okay, nice and ready. So I leave a little bit for afterwards to just see. There we go. Beautiful. Look at this. Look how nice it is. Medium heat. It's working nicely. When I make it nice and saucy. And I add a little bit, just a little bit of salt, just a little bit, just for seasoning, a little bit. Beautiful. Isigwamba is ready. I think my granny and my family will be so proud of me. And then chili prawns. Umbila. I made this one earlier on, so it's just warming it now. Let's play it. Let's eat. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me on my channel again. Asante. Here it is. Guava a la prawns. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. It's free. Mahala. Travel with this